Today I'm going to test out this foaming Superclean to see how well it handles this very dirty wheel and tire. Now let me say I've been using this on the barbecue grill and it works great. So this shouldn't even be a challenge for it. Now I don't want to let it dry on here, so I am trying to keep this a little bit damp. Most products will discolor your wheels if you leave them to dry on there, and today it's 112 in the shade. So I would say that did a great job. Super Clean Aerosol even does your wheels and tires.